How to add icon in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add icon in Figma. In order to do so, firstly open your Figma application on your device. Now once you open it, make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top right corner, you will be able to locate the create button. Simply click on it, and then a pop-up menu will appear. From here, select the design option. Now you will be taken to the canvas page. Once you reach to this canvas or the editing page, now here you will need to look for the Figma icon at the top left corner. Once you find it, simply click on it, and then a menu will appear. From here, now you will need to select plugins option. Once you select it, a pop-up will appear at the right side. Now from here, select manage plugins option. Once you find it, simply click on it, and then a pop-up menu will appear on your interface. Now here you will need to install the plugin. Simply search for icons 8. You may also search for Iconify or any other icons. You will get the search results below. From here, find the one that you'd like to add. Simply click on it, and then in this next pop-up, here click on this run button at the bottom right. By doing so, you will be able to install and run this plugin. Once it is loaded, here now you will need to browse or search for your desired icon. Once you find the icon that you would like to add to your canvas, you just simply need to click on it, and after adding it, simply click on this cross button in order to remove it. Now here you will be able to see the icon that you have added. Now after doing that, you will be able to edit it. You can drag the corners to resize it or adjust its shape. So this is how you can add icon in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.